This is Brian Ghilliotti. So I took an azimuth reading. I took an direct north azimuth reading from that stone that I was at last time. And looks like I ended up right here, right back at the possible prop slash ice melt breakdown boulder, expanding ice breakdown boulder. That's been probably prop, maybe. So it's due south of here is the beginning of that 3 boulder alignment system running at a 210 30 degree azimuth linear relationship. So I'm glad I'm out here, even if I am, according to some people, chasing nature's Rorschach images and rocks. Some people say there's nothing out here. There's no linear anything. Think what you want. In my view, well, this is the Bushy Hill Nature Center, so it is protected, but in many cases this would just be unused land owned by a town that they would be happy to further develop if they want to expand tax revenue. And before that potentially happens, I want to come out here and video record things.